Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Good morning. That was such a good smile, little man. I walked in the door from my meetings and I heard, "Hi, Daddy." Hi.
Can you say hi, Daddy?
Hi, little man. How are you? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Liam. Good morning. You're like obsessed with touching the camera now. Good morning, Stumites. That's what I want to call people who watch our vlogs, Stumites. Does that sound stupid?
No. Kind of sounds like termites, but...
That's the point, yeah.
Okay.
From now on, I'm going to say good morning, Stumites. Disclaimer. A Stumite is somebody who watches a Stumi vlog. The views and opinions expressed in this vlog are that of the holder. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200.
There you go.
There you go.
Brother?
You.
Are you sitting in the chair with Aiden? Yeah? Yeah? Do you love your brother? Can you give him kisses? Oh, nice boy. Yeah. Aiden, do you love Liam? Yeah. Are you guys best friends?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you give Aiden hugs? Oh, nice boys. You're so sweet. Yeah.
Yay.
I'm going to take a picture with my phone real quick. You guys are so cute. Okay, Liam's going to do Daddy's hair. Okay, here we go. Do Daddy's hair. Oh, thank you. Am I pretty? Are you sitting in Daddy's chair? I heard a little voice say, "Daddy chair." And I came in here and there was a little boy sitting in my chair. You want to spin? Whee! You're gonna fall on your butt now when you stand up. Whoa! I just noticed your socks. Those are awesome. Those are Ninja Turtle socks.
Shoes.
Are those shoes? Liam, are we gonna go to nursery today? You gonna play with the kids? Are you gonna play with the kids? Yeah? Are you gonna learn about Jesus? You gonna learn about Jesus? So we just got home from church, trying to figure out what we're gonna have for dinner. Amy's feeding the kids. And I have a very important question to ask you. I built a new outro for our videos. And if you don't know what an outro is, then it's apparent you haven't been on YouTube long enough. But an outro is like the end of your video where you put your call to action, like subscribe to me or watch this other video. Well, we didn't, our previous ones just said, you know, here's our social links. Well, here is the new outro. See, I got a video now. Yesterday's video. What do you think? You likey? Sweet. Oh, and also check that out. Got a sweet bow system. Thanks to Amy's dad. He got it for free when he bought his new cell phone, and he so kindly gave it to us. So thank you.
Without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Milk?
We're lip syncing here! So everybody has gone down for a nap. And we're gonna eat dinner in a little bit, so I have the responsibility of making some french fries to go with our hamburgers. I also noticed that my lawn is like really long because it's been raining on and off the last 2 weeks and I haven't had a chance to mow my lawn. Life is so hard. Huh. Hey. Hi, Mommy. And Mommy just got woken up from her nap by these crying little boys. Look. He loves me. Look, Daddy's making fries. Just drying them off and getting the hoil eated. I'm getting the hoil eated.
Stretch.
How was your nap? Too short? Who was the crybaby? Were you the crybaby?
No.
Was it Liam? It was Liam. So we're gonna fry some fries and cook some hamburgers. We're gonna have bacon cheeseburgers.
Ooh.
Does that sound yummy?
Sounds really good.
Are you having a snug with Mommy now? Yeah. We need to tell this oil to. Oh, I was about to say to heat up, but it's ready already. So, what do you like, bud? I can't believe we're doing this.
Fry sauce. He likes fry sauce straight up. Man, it's yummy.
Is it table?
Table?
Chair.
Chair. Are we gonna have our French fries in the fry sauce?
Table.
I know. Ew. She just stuck the here. You eat this piece that Mommy got on the counter.
For those of you who do not live in Utah or Idaho, fry sauce is literally mayonnaise and ketchup mixed together. And it is delicious on fries and many other things. And my son apparently likes to eat it by the spoonful. How was dinner?
It was gone.
Yeah. I forgot to show you our food because I think is that what you're supposed to do in vlogs, to show people what you eat?
I think so, but it was so yummy delicious. So yummy delicious that there's fry sauce. And some napkins. Wait. And that's all you get. It was that good.
It was delicious. And now Amy's gonna make some peanut butter cookies again, because they are so tasty. You should make a double batch this time. Please. Please.
No.
Yes.
Do you know why?
Because I'll eat them all tonight.
And
no, I won't. Because I ate one batch last time and I got sick, so I won't do that again.
I got to eat 3 cookies. And he ate 14. And was sick. And he was like, oh, I'm so sick. I ate too many peanut butter cookies. I have to go to bed at 10 o'clock at night.
Does root beer give you the burps?
Root beer does give me the burps.
Do you want to vlog? Here, hold it right there. Okay. Wow, look at you, Liam. You're vlogging. What's it pointed at? Say hi.
Yeah.
Hi. Are you vlogging with the camera?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, then you go like this.
Daddy.
Okay, then you hold it like this, and then you can vlog yourself.
Wait.
Yeah. Oh, don't touch the lens. You hold it right there. Okay, say hi. My name's Liam, and I'm doing a vlog about babies and how cute we are. I like your socks. Can you show Daddy your socks? What's that on your socky? Is that a Ninja Turtle? See, it says Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Fun fact, in the United Kingdom, they were not Ninja Turtles. They were Hero Turtles. Teenage Mutant Hero Turtles. As you can imagine, as a child, when I heard that, I thought it was stupid. They ain't heroes. They be ninjas. I just want to say I'm glad that you tell your friends that it's my fault that you're vlogging.
I do, because you told me to do a vlog, so I'm doing a vlog. It's your fault. Oh yeah, look at it. You're the one that's making me do a vlog.
I'm not making you do anything.
Yeah, you're the one that told me to.
Huh?
What's up?
I can't wait. A glutton free. It tastes fine.
Yeah. Do you want to be in today's vlog?
I don't know.
1708.
What are we? You okay?
I do something. Oh gosh, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut.
I think it was Scott's, wasn't it?
Probably. She was like brushing my hair and I was crying because it hurt.
You're gonna be in our vlog.
Smacked the mirror on me.
How do you feel about that?
Like one of the handheld mirrors. A little embarrassed. I would like try holding it in, but I would cry as much as
I feel like that was super close up.
Catch the essence of her beautiful eyes.
Yeah, that's the only beautiful feature of this face.
Whacked me with it.
No, that's all you need.
Oh, you're in trouble now.
What are you doing?
Bum itches.
Why?
She said her bum itches. I offered to get it for her.
Yeah, that kind of relationship.
Excuse me. This is the Crapo family. Can I help you?
You're just jealous.
Oh, you guys are friends?
Don't make fun of my little sister.
That makes fun. That makes sense.
It's okay. It's okay.
At least I have someone on my side. I have been treated.
Fucking weirdos.
You married her.
Yeah,
There's no explaining this, but you married that.
you chose this.
I think you just lost.
Did I though?
It's probably the ugliest thing I've seen all day, right there.
Careful, you'll break your lens.
Oh.
Careful.
It's alright, just a kit lens. I like a cookie. Simon was sulking because
No, this lip is vicious.
Hey,
Step on that.
hey,
Feel that. That's not friend. That's not.
ow,
That's not friendly lip right there.
that's serrated.
You're like, cut my foot. If my toes off my foot.
Ow.
You could sharpen that and seriously do damage.
No,
Oh, I can't work now.
I think I've cut myself.
You're gonna bleed all over the carpet.
No, you can't sue your father.
What?
You can't sue your own father.
Can't sue Dad.
Hey, say something funny for my vlog.
Yeah, you gotta check them.
Hold on, I gotta look up a good one.
Just don't let
Don't
it,
water them every day, but
just look at it and see.
I gotta get a wooden stick.
either that or get a cage. You'd be better off with a cage.
Alright.
Let's see.
I got our child.
Stuart, Dad was saying that Amy's tomato plants, she's got them in just, what did you say, Steve? 1 gallon?
Yeah, no,
I'm trying to
yeah,
see.
1 gallon.
She probably needs to repot them into bigger pots. Okay? Is that right, Steve?
Oh, but I can see you're calling quicker than one of those burritos with extra guacamole sauce.
Stuart, don't tell her to go and buy pots. I've got pots.
Yeah, she can get them
Dad has
tomorrow.
pot. All right.
She can get them tomorrow.
Hey,
Well,
say something funny for my vlog. I need footage.
I'm trying
See you later!
I'm trying to find a good one.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
say that in your major pipe.
Yeah, do that. I'm gonna put that at the end of every vlog.
What the heck was that, you freckle-faced cartoon? I give you permission to sneeze, Opie! Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Well, friends, it's the end of another day. It's a good Sunday today. Just want to say thank you for watching the vlog today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button as well. Amy, would you leave us with some wise words?
Pillows are soft, and have courage and be kind.
And may the force be with you.